Hello everyone. Being into the education sector for over 2 decades, we at Jain Tutorials firmly believe that imparting employable skills to the youngsters is as equally important as imparting them the basic academic education. To ensure that the youngsters gain the necessary employable skills and become job ready to face the real life situation, we have recently tied up with the Institute of Digital Learning to provide the youngsters the training in basic computer operations, including MS Office, Tally, GST, digital marketing, and such other courses. We've also tied up with various industry experts who will time to time guide the students how to face the real life challenges and will ensure that they sharpen their skills. Please share this video with anyone who is in need of job or in need of training in such courses. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Thank you.